Hello chess lovers, I have a very short and beautiful game for you played at Belgian Chess Championship 1934, with the white pieces playing Otto Feuer and his opponent is Alberic de Galway. Otto Feuer started with e4 and e5 by de Galway, knight f3, knight c6, bishop b4, white goes for Spanish game, a6, Morphy defense, bishop a4, d6, black is choosing the modern Steinitz defense, which was frequently played by Aljochin, Capablanca and Keras. Bishop takes c6 check, b takes c6, d4, f6, knight c3, Rook b8, attacking the pawn on b2 square and creating some problems for this dark square bishop, queen d3, knight e7, and a very provocative move by white, bishop e3, allowing black to capture on b2 square, but it turns out that the pawn on b2 is poisoned. Not suspecting anything, black captured on b2. Here comes d takes e5, f takes e5, and a beautiful knight sacrifice by white, knight takes e5. Even now, black didn't guess that he is stepping into a trap and captured on e5. Well, actually, bringing rook back on b8 square would have been better, though after knight f3, white has an advantage, white pieces are better developed, and black's king side is somehow weakened. But instead, after knight takes e5, we see d takes e5, and after the exchange of queens, white went for this deadly castling queenside and black resigned. White both castled queenside, gave a check and striked at this poor rook on b2 square, and whatever black plays, black is losing his rook, and this is going to be winning for white. What a deadly castling. If you enjoyed this beautiful trap, don't forget to give the thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. More games are coming. Good luck.